Oh yeah. Oh, I think that might be a speckled trout. Is that a redfish? I can't see. Yeah, it's a trout. Oh yeah. Oh, wait. Sweet first fish. Great.
Right in the bucket, 14 and a half.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah, first fish. Yeah, that's a trout.
Trout?
Yeah. These things fight hard.
I don't think you will make the wing slides with it.
Yeah.
Right species.
Still a fun catch though.
Alright, so now we're finding. We said something about moving and they decided to pick up a little bit.
Yeah.
You got two on at the same time. So that
Doubled
was
up.
a fish.
Yeah.
So look at the difference.
It's like purpley sort of, and that one's
So
not.
see the two differences? Yeah.
One's like darker, and they have like the yellow fins. So.
Hold those together. You don't see these two together at the same time.
Yeah.
But that's kind of strange, so we can get them sitting together for the picture. But so they call this guy a weak fish because, watch this, he's got, the trout usually have a weak mouth. He usually do that and it comes unglued.
Yeah.
Like the same thing with this guy.
Oh, he's got two of fangs.
He's got the two. He might be, if he's going to be...
Dinner size.
That's what you should be able to catch 20 of. You got a big one.
Why did he pull so hard?
Now that's a dinner size white.
Yeah.
That's a good eating fish. I wish they got huge because it's that good.
Should we eat him?
Yeah, I would. I mean,
I think we should.
that and the trout, I mean, they're going to be good ones.
Like I told you I felt a hit, and then I was like, all right, I'm just gonna reel it in, and then more.
I got to do this surf today.
Yeah, we would have known that you could eat these guys.
Yeah.
Come on this side. Go over that blue pole coming here. Star drum. You got something on there. What do you got? Oh, there we go. See a drum. That looks like the right species.
That does look like her teeth. Be a drum. What is it?
Alright. What is it? Shark? It's fighting for yard.
It's fighting really hard.
What the world?
What is this?
Oh my god.
I'll come up there. Let me get the net out. I'll come up there with the net.
Oh my gosh, what the? Oh my gosh.
There you go. Don't pull his head out of the water. Come scoop him up. There we go. That's a nice one. There we go.
Come on, get in the net. Get.
Take your time. Once you got him this far, there's nothing for him to hang.
Yeah. Let's go. I was like, oh, he's probably a little guy because it was like peck, peck, peck. And then as soon as he got to the boat, I was like, oh my goodness.
He was running at you.
Yeah, he was coming straight
Like,
for
I
me.
don't have much. Then
Yeah. So do we throw those back?
Yeah, these guys. Matter of fact, he's actually too big to keep. To keep a red in this state, they got to be 16 to 23. This
All
one's
right.
probably 25 inches.
Yeah, that's pretty. It's good. Can I get a picture with him?
Oh, definitely. We're gonna get you one, and we'll put your name on. So the best way to hold this guy
It's like under
is
him.
you hold him underneath. Oh, you got a 2-spotter too.
Oh yeah.
Then you push him closer to us, so you know he's gonna look bigger in the camera.
Yeah.
I'll get a backup.
Yeah.
Nice one. Perfect. Put your name on him real quick and send him on his way. Let's do that again.
Just throw him in, or you can say?
We just throw him in and say, he's still nice and hardy. If you catch one of these tags, you get a reward.
Oh, cool.
Really?
There you go.
Heck.
There we go. First red fish of the day.